hosting game night with my friends, and for a snack, I'm gonna make furikake Chex Mix.
Blanket. Waffle.
That's for me. That's just for me.
I'm gonna take a sip.
I just got home and my popmart order delivered. I got 5 of these boxes. I stupidly ordered from 2 different sets, so I might have duplicates. But I hope I don't. I'm just really hoping for friends. But I think everything is really cute. The only one that I'm not a really big fan of is Into My Heart. I don't think that's really that cute, but everything else I'll be really happy with. Here's the box. Okay. This is not Hidden Love. Oh my god, my first one is Friends, and this is the one I wanted. Okay, I'm happy. Honestly, whatever I get after this, it's fine. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is like me and Rico, if Rico was a cat. Second box. What is this? Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I think any of the ones that come with the little pet is really cute. This is Time. Third one. What is this? Feelings. Not my favorite, but this explains my mood today because it's a very rainy day in LA today, and this is just mood for today. More. This is cute. How do I take this off? So cute. I don't know how to take this plastic thing off. I think I need scissors, which I don't have right now. This is my 5th and last one. Let's see. I really want it to be Hidden Love. I want Hidden Love or Childhood for my last one. Then I don't think I would need to buy any more of this because I'll have everything that I want. Okay, we'll see. Or Secret? I don't even know how Secret looks like. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is hot. Okay. She's kind of cute. She's wearing a little rain jacket. Okay, she's kind of cute. I like all of them. I'm happy. I am making my own version of In-N-Out today for lunch because this is one of Sebi's favorite food.
Falling in love again right now. This is fire.
Guys, it's finally May, which means it's my birthday month, and yesterday I went to Found Oyster with Sebi, and then he got me these flowers. They are so pretty. My favorite flowers are peonies, so he got me a bunch of those mixed in with some other flowers. Now I am off to brunch with my friends Eileen, Kathleen, and Alina. We're going to Bakery. So yeah, see you there. I'm embarrassed. Okay, I'm getting dinner with Michelle. She's one of my closest friends. Sure. And we're gonna eat holbox in downtown LA. It's both of our first times trying it.
It's a little sour.
The other one was sour too, like vinegar.
Yeah. Oh, this tastes like chipotle.
Oh, that's spicy.
This shit is evil. Is it kind of fishy? Look at that uni. Yum.
Whoa, it smells so awesome.
Oh shit.
We just finished dinner and both of our favorite dish was the octopus taco.
Yes.
We wouldn't get the shrimp ever again. It was not good at all.
It was like camarones de mousse. Don't get that.
Uni tostada was good. I really liked the uni, and then the kampachi was nice and chewy, like a good chew. What else? Oh, and the fish taco was pretty good.
Fish taco. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, but for me personally, I wouldn't come back just because I only like the octopus taco. Everything else was kind of mid for me. But then I think it's just super affordable, like $5 to $9 per taco. Like $5 fish taco, $9 octopus taco. You can't beat that anywhere else. So I see where the hype comes from, but would I come here again? Not really.
No. Next time we should come here for the tasting menu. I think that'll be good because they'll give you a little bit of everything and then you could taste everything. And then they only give you the best of the best, you know?
Okay. Stay tuned for the tasting menu.
We'll go for her birthday.
No! I don't want
Eat it too?
The fried pita is like really small. I am doing another birthday celebration where I am eating dinner with my close group of girlfriends. We're gonna go to Dama and I'm very excited. Oh, it's good.
Some rice.
Lonnie invited us to go to the Dodgers game with her, and I have the perfect shirt to wear today. I am going to color me mine today with Amy, Lonnie, and Tiffany, but I just wanted to quickly show my outfit because I love it so much. Eileen got me this polo bear sweater and I love it because one, I've always wanted a polo bear sweater, and two, it's a basketball player, so it reminds me of Sebi because he loves basketball. And then on top of that, I am wearing this watch that Sebi got me. So this is a birthday present outfit that I got from my friends and boyfriend, and yeah. I got this.
She's ready. She's a professional vlogger. Which one do you want? Oh, no.
I want all of them except for the orange.
Oh,
watch me get orange. This is not orange. Wait, it's so cute. It looks cuter and it looks cuter than the photo. Yeah. Guess where we're going? We're going to Joshua Tree. Yay. Donut for some Dubai chocolate donuts. So good. Ooh. Whoa.
It's like medicine.
It kind of has a weird taste.
Oh man, I feel like I'm eating grass.
I give it a 6 out of 10. 4.